So guys, welcome back to BTC analysis. Guys, yesterday we were buying. First one we went on to hit up, almost hit a bullish target. But if you have your own stop loss and trade following system, you would have made money. And after we broke our support, guys, as mentioned, we went on to hit a bearish target. So always, guys, it depends on your risk management. How do you take profits? How do you follow your trading stop losses, you use them or not, if you take partial profits. It's always up to your trade management. Trade management is a bigger part of trading than knowing the direction the price will go in. But if everyone knew this, we wouldn't have 95% of people losing out. So that's that. Anyways, guys, that's not a topic here. So guys, for today, as long as we are above 110, simple, we keep on buying this, with 111 being our first target, and second target being 112, 200. It's very simple and easy, guys. If we break below this, we start selling, and 108 would be my bearish target. And this was 108 was my bearish target on the weekly analysis, guys, and we did hit that. Hope you guys know that. So take care, guys, and see you tomorrow. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. Kudos.